everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change the resolution, the display resolution of your Windows 10. All you have to do is just go to desktop and then right click and then go to display settings and then scroll down to find display resolution. Just click on it and you're gonna choose the resolution you want here. As you can see, the highest resolution I have here is, and the recommended one, it's 1080. As you can see, I will choose it. If you want to reduce it, for example, to 720, you can choose it in here and click on keep changes. And now it's changed to 720. And if you want to change it again to 1080, just click on it and keep changes. And now it's changed as well. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time.